Through yoga and mindfulness, we give the students the tools that they need, not only to connect with themselves, but with others and the natural environment. We help them to strengthen not only their bodies, but their spirit as well. And this is so important, especially in times of natural disasters. Yoga helps to ground the students, get them out of their heads and into their bodies, and help them to create the stillness that they need to feel what they're feeling, process those feelings, and to be able to move beyond them. The breath is a really powerful tool for relaxation, and with the children we used a technique using leaves. We hold the leaf in front of the face and get the students to blow on it, noticing what happens. And then we take the leaf further away and get the students to repeat, noticing the effects. And of course what we're doing is getting the students to deepen their breath, and that can be a tool for relaxation, managing depression and anxiety. So yoga and mindfulness can really give the students tools that they need to build resilience in themselves and be the facilitators of their own healing.